Okay, this is just a video of some pretty cool ringtones and notification tones for your phone. You could download them at, let me just go to the app, right here. That's the name of it right there. Fun Tones. It's an Android app. Let me back that up. It's an Android app. And you can download it from Google Play. See the name of it right there. Fun Tones, Ringtones. That's the name of it. Okay. Let's see. First, I'm gonna show you the one that I have for my notify. Well, actually, this is my ringtone right here. Let's see. This is my ringtone right here. I like it. 12. It's a car alarm. That's a pretty cool ringtone. I like it a lot. Alright, the other one is my notifications. When you get Gmail or any type of other notification. Let's see. And you kind of heard it a minute ago because a message came through while I was doing this. Okay, it said it stopped, so we're going to reload it. And go here. Yeah, this is my notifications one right here. Yeah.
Incoming message.
That one. That's pretty cool. Alright, here's just another funny one. And then I'll make this in the video after this one. It's a fart song notification or ringtone, whatever you want to make it as. Okay, anyway. So that's if you want to go get, you can download it from Google Play. It has a lot of ringtones on here that you can, ringtones, notification tones, you can download for free on Google Play. Check it out. The name of it's Fun Tones Ringtones, right there at the top. That's the name of it. Alright, end of video.